Listen guys, this video is not 100% a tutorial video and it's a little bit inspiring. Let's watch some part of Markiplier's video.
It's currently 6:29. It is the darkest of nights outside.
So he wakes up at 6 and goes on a walk at 6:30.
I don't know why I don't have a tripod for my phone. So running a little short on time, it's 10:06. I just made 2 banger thumbnails, this one and, oh God. Just finished recording the video, I just finished editing the video. It is rendering, should be done in about 4 minutes, 20 seconds. The thumbnail's already done, I just need to get it uploading. Hopefully it gets done uploading before I need to start streaming.
So what I'm trying to tell you is that he wakes up at 6 AM, goes on a walk at 6:30, has breakfast at 8:25, and edits the thumbnails, records the video, and even uploads them before the noon. And if you want to upload more videos and get more views, you have to upload constantly on YouTube. And to do that easier, you have to wake up earlier like Markiplier. So when you're uploading your video, other YouTubers are still sleeping. And that's what makes you different from the others.